Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have here today is a book called Abraha. You guys can see, that's the front of the book. That's the back, okay? So what this book is that it's a comic book about Abraha. He was one of the generals for Abyssinia's king at the time. And he later on then became the ruler of Yemen. And you guys can see, so that's the front. That's it. The book's written in a type of like comic book format. It's like a manga, you guys can see, so it's all black and white like that. You can see that, right? So this book, it's like it's made really well. So what this is based off of is the story from the Quran in Surah Fil. So it's about Abraha's army getting destroyed by crows with stones in them. You guys can see that, and it's on the cover. And then in it shows the whole story of Abraha before even that time. As say in the book, in the back of the book, it says, struck by the deaths of 20,000 Christians that were burnt alive by the treacherous Duhun Nawas, Abraha, one of the generals of Abyssinia's thing, he wanted to bring order. And so with that, while he was pursuing justice, he got blurred by personal gain and greed. And this whole story is about how his transformation took place and later on then following to his death. You guys can see. This is written by Furqan Jabbar. You guys can see that. That's the author of this book. I think he did a really well job of making this because I haven't seen anything like it, which is talking about like stories from the Quran and stuff, and put in this format, which makes it really interesting to read. And it also gives more like insight onto what the events actually were. You can see this. Here's the front page. You guys can see inside. There's an elephant getting destroyed by the crows, and then there's special thanks. You can see. So I would recommend this book to read. You guys can check the link in the description. It has a page where you can go support the author and get a book. Right now it's in the process of being fully published. So you guys can see this, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.